Discover how the best eyebrow and facial hair removal brings confidence and ease to your daily routine. This gentle tool helps you feel more in control of your appearance, turning grooming into a calming and uplifting moment. Many people long for smooth, cared for skin that enhances natural beauty, and this solution creates that sense of refreshment effortlessly. Each use offers a quiet, personal experience that leaves you feeling polished, confident, and ready to embrace every day with ease. Number 1. Electric Razor for Women Men, 4-in-1 LED Display. The Electric Razor for Women Men 4-in-1 LED Display Ladies Wet and Dry Body Razors and Facial Hair Remover brings a soothing and empowering experience to personal grooming. Many people desire a tool that makes daily routines feel calm, effortless, and uplifting, and this kit creates that sense of ease with every use. Its smooth motion glides gently across the skin, helping both women and men feel more confident while maintaining a polished appearance. The rechargeable design gives freedom and reliability, ensuring it is ready whenever needed, while the wet and dry use adds convenience and flexibility. Using it on the nose, face, body, legs, bikini area, and arms provides a refined look that naturally enhances comfort and self-assurance. The LED display brings clarity and control, making grooming feel precise and reassuring. The Electric Razor for Women Men 4-in-1 LED Display Ladies Wet and Dry Body Razors and Facial Hair Remover turns hair removal into a gentle, refreshing ritual, leaving skin soft, smooth, and cared for with confidence. Number 2. Eyebrow and Facial Hair Removal for Women. The Eyebrow and Facial Hair Removal for Women 2-in-1 Rechargeable Face Shaver and Eyebrow Razors brings a sense of calm and confidence to personal grooming. Many people long for a gentle, reliable solution that makes hair removal feel effortless, and this electric facial trimmer epilator provides that reassuring experience. Its smooth, painless motion glides across delicate areas, helping the face, lips, and body feel cared for and refreshed. The built-in LED light gives precision and control, turning each session into a quiet moment of self-care that enhances confidence naturally. Using it regularly allows the skin to appear cleaner, softer, and more polished, bringing a renewed sense of comfort with every touch-up. Its rechargeable design ensures convenience and readiness, making grooming simple and stress-free. The Eyebrow and Facial Hair Removal for Women 2-in-1 Rechargeable Face Shaver and Eyebrow Razors transforms daily routines into soothing, uplifting rituals that leave skin smooth, refined, and beautifully cared for. Number 3. Nose Hair Trimmer for Men, 1600 RPM motor. The Nose Hair Trimmer for Men 16,000 revolutions per minute motor LED power display portable electric ear and eyebrow grooming kit brings a sense of confidence and ease to daily grooming. Many people seek a tool that feels reliable and precise, and this grooming kit provides a calm, effortless experience that turns hair removal into a soothing routine. Its smooth motion glides gently through delicate areas, helping the nose, ears, eyebrows, face, and body appear neat and well cared for. The LED power display gives reassurance and control, making every session feel confident and worry-free. Its portable design allows grooming anywhere, adding convenience and flexibility that fits naturally into busy schedules. Using it regularly creates a feeling of personal care that enhances comfort and boosts self-esteem. The Nose Hair Trimmer for Men 16,000 revolutions per minute motor LED power display portable electric ear and eyebrow grooming kit offers a dependable and uplifting way to maintain a polished, refined look while feeling confident and refreshed every day. Number 4. No Micro Hair Removal Devic Rechargeable. The No Micro Hair Removal device, rechargeable and portable for all skin tones. Facial and body hair removal for women and men offers a gentle and empowering way to care for both face and body. Many people look for a solution that feels soothing, reliable, and easy to use, and this device creates a calm, uplifting experience with every touch. Its smooth motion glides effortlessly across the skin, leaving areas soft, refined, and cared for, while enhancing a sense of confidence naturally. Designed for all skin tones, it brings reassurance and comfort to everyone, making each session feel personal and safe. The rechargeable and portable design adds freedom and convenience, allowing grooming to fit seamlessly into daily life without stress. Using it regularly transforms simple routines into quiet moments of self-care, helping skin appear smoother and giving a renewed feeling of freshness. The No Micro Hair Removal Device, rechargeable and portable for all skin tones. Facial and body hair removal for women and men turns hair removal into a comforting, uplifting ritual that leaves skin soft, polished, and confidently refreshed. Number 5. No Pro Hair Removal Device treats all skin colors and hair. The No Pro Hair Removal Device treats all skin colors and hair types. Hair removal for women and men. Hair remover for face and body hair brings a gentle and empowering experience to personal care. Many people seek a solution that feels soothing, reliable, and easy to use, and this device creates a calming and uplifting experience with every session. Its smooth motion glides effortlessly across the skin, helping the face and body appear soft, refined, and naturally cared for while boosting confidence. Designed to work for all skin colors and hair types, it provides reassurance and comfort for everyone, making each grooming moment feel personal and safe. The portable and user-friendly design allows daily routines to feel simple, relaxing, and stress-free. Using it regularly transforms hair removal into quiet self-care rituals, leaving skin polished, refreshed, and feeling renewed. The No Pro Hair Removal Device treats all skin colors and hair types. Hair removal for women and men. Hair remover for face and body hair turns everyday grooming into a comforting, confidence-enhancing experience that makes skin look smooth, healthy, and cared for.